Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find trending games that have been trending on TikTok Live. So to do that, you're just going to go to your homepage here. And if you scroll down, there's going to be a trending games on TikTok. This is the trending games over the last 7 days. There's a few one I know. I only know Up and EA Sports. I don't really know the rest. Okay, Uncharted 2, I guess. And you can also do like last 14 days, last 30 days. This one's the first one, which I don't know what it is. Buckshot Roulette. I've seen a lot. It was trending, and you can see like how many viewers they got per creator. And I think if you want to, I guess, like play trending games and garner more viewers, gain more viewers, you have to look at the trending games on TikTok and try to find one that you can play and you can stream, and hopefully you'll get a lot of viewers from that. VR Chat, GeoGuessr, Kahoot, etc. The Last of Us. And that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!